Imagine pulling out into traffic and your engine feels completely gutless, or worse. It starts making weird noises and smelling like raw fuel because your air-to-fuel ratio is totally out of sync. This is exactly what happens when your barometric pressure sensor circuit drops to a low voltage, triggering the P2228 code. Your engine control module is constantly trying to hit that perfect stoichiometric mix of 14 nocta 7 parts air to 1 part fuel. And it cannot do that without knowing the atmospheric pressure around you. This sensor is crucial because it helps the computer adjust for altitude, so if you are driving through mountains, a faulty sensor will make your car run like garbage. This code is considered moderately high severity because running with a bad air fuel mix for too long can actually cause expensive internal engine damage. To fix this, you first need to hunt down the sensor location, which varies wildly between car brands, and check for any physical damage or loose connections caused by engine vibration. It is a very smart move to disconnect your battery before messing with these sensors to avoid any nasty electrical spikes that could fry the computer. Once you have access, use your digital multimeter to compare the sensor's voltage and resistance against the manufacturer's specs. If you see anything outside that range, or if you find a bunch of road debris blocking the sensor's intake, you have found your culprit. Just remember that this sensor is the eyes of your engine management system, so keeping its circuit clean and functional is the only way to get your power and fuel economy back to where they should be.